We are in Sale-A-Bration. It is so exciting when Sale-A-Bration happens. What does Sale-A-Bration mean, you might ask? It means that for every $50 you order, you get an item for free. And it's in our special Sale-A-Bration catalog. I would love to be your Stampin' Up! Independence demonstrator. My name is Wendy Easler, and I love to get crafty. If you love to get crafty or would like to learn how to get crafty, by all means, reach out to me, let me know, and I can make sure that you get a catalog. My email address is vctgraphics@gmail.com, or you can go to my Facebook page, which is Expressing My Heart. Thank you. By all means, hit like and subscribe, and we will make sure that you get updated every time I have a new video. Thank you. Look forward to having you back on my channel.